Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we're making chicken ball Japanese style. You know, we got loads of variations for chicken ball here in Japan, but today's version is seasoned with miso. It'll be so yummy and to make it is super easy. So why don't we get started? Yeah, the main ingredients for chicken ball are only three. The first ingredient is chicken thigh. The second one is white part of leek. And the third one is, of course, a bowl of rice. To make miso-based sauce, you need milling 4 tablespoons, sake 1 tablespoon, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, and 40 grams of miso. Plus, you need a little bit of potato starch to sprinkle before you heat the chicken. You know, you got only 4 steps to make it. Step number 1 is to make miso-based sauce. The first thing you do is to put 40 grams of miso in a bowl, solve it with 1 tablespoon of sake. When it's kind of half salt, pour soy sauce and mirin as well. Mix it well and set it aside till the chicken is pan-fried. Step number 2 is to prepare the leek. Cut it into about 1 inch long and brown it in a frying pan. If you try to cook it all the way in a pan, it'll be bad. So when it goes nice and brown, put it into microwave heater and heat it for another 7 minutes. Step 3 is to prepare and cook the chicken. Cut the chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces and sprinkle with potato starch. Then heat it in a frying pan from room temperature. With medium-low heat, I believe it will take 4 to 5 minutes. Then flip them over and heat it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4 is to season. Put the chicken out of the pan once and heat the miso-based sauce with high heat. When it's heated, put the chicken back into the pan, mix it well, and finally plate it on a bowl of warm rice with the microwaved leek. That's it. Sounds easy, doesn't it? Okay, let's go on to step 1. Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Step 1 is to make miso-based sauce. This is 40 grams of miso and solve it with 1 tablespoon of sake. This is milling 1, 2, 3, 4 with a soy sauce 2 tablespoons. Okay, and mix it well. Now it's miso-based sauce is ready now. So set it aside till the chicken is heated. Okay, this is it. Alright, step number 2 is to prepare the white part of leek. Wash it and then cut it into inches long. Cut off the gluten about an inch. Yeah, looks awesome. And then heat the frying pan and brown it. I believe the pan is heated, so put some vegetable oil in it and brown the leek. Medium heat with it. I'm trying not to lose the leek because all you gotta do is to just make a brown stripe on each leek. Well, let's take a look. Yeah, this is alright. When it's brown like this, just flip it over and leave it for about within 1 minute, I believe. Another 30 seconds or so it has passed. So, yeah, let's take a look. Yes, it's done. So put it in a plate like this and microwave it. Alright, why don't we go on to step 3? Step 3 is to prepare and cook the chicken. Okay, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Right. Right, it's done. Alright, why don't we go sprinkle potato starch. Prepare this aluminum foil and put potato starch, about 2 tablespoons I guess. Then you put the chicken here. Now it's time to heat the chicken. Start with room temperature frying pan, skin side down. Okay, start with medium low heat. Heat it for 4 to 5 minutes. Remove excess oil with paper towel. About 2 minutes has passed, so I take a look at it. Okay, this is well done. This is nice. So why don't we move it from the frying pan one and heat the sauce. Okay, put the chickens out of the pan once. Then go on to step 4. Well, step 4 is to heat the miso based sauce. Then pack the chicken into the pan. Okay. Right. Okay. Looks great. Looks awesome. I guess it's ready to go. Alright, now you know how to make chicken ball Japanese style. It's super easy and the taste will be super yummy, so why don't you try making it at your home? Anyway, thanks for watching. Push thumbs up button, leave some comments down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching again and see you in the next video. Take good care. Bye bye. Arigato.